the front entrance here. 544 Yellowbird. Yes, this is 544 Yellowbird, Marco Island, Florida. This is the front entrance. The house is vacant now, but there is some furniture left here. People probably haven't fully moved out. Nice tile floors. To the left over here is bedroom number 2. Floor's all tiled. Purple walls. If you like purple, you're going to find a wonderful place. It has a Jack and Jill style bathroom. It splits the bedrooms. It has a full-size shower and tub enclosure. A single vanity and a throne, and another single vanity and throne over here. So you share the bathtub, but the shower area, but the throne area is separate. Bedroom number 2, off the sliding glass doors off to the pool area. All tile floors again. Back out to the family room, living room area. Kitchen straight ahead. Nice big open kitchen, plenty of room in here. New appliance, stainless steel appliances. Dishwasher is missing. Dual sinks, which appeared to be a lanai area, which has been converted over here on the back side as another family room or a game room area here. It's nice tile floors. Plenty of room. Looks like there's a Murphy bed out in this room here too. Let's go outside and take a look around the house. There's a really good look at the bathroom. Needs some tile, some original tile on the floor here, but bathroom needs to be redone. Just the pool area. It has a newer style cage around it. It's a nice modern style pool. It's got stamped pavers all around the property here. Tile roof. It looks like it has a jacuzzi type tub over here that's lights up at night. Nice little backyard here. It's got some character. Sit out in the summer. There's plenty of room in the shade back here also too. Let's go outside. Okay, the fence is on the property line here. It's a little on the low side, but it's a fence. Got a swing area here, nice shaded area too to enjoy the hot summer afternoons. This is the outside of the house. I'm going to go along the outside of the house, make sure that if you get any questions about anything, you can always call me and ask me. A lot of tires still left here, but I guess they'll have to get going. Let's walk around the house. This area here looks as though it might have been a little yard for pets or so. It's got a small fence on the outside here. Probably a nice secure area for your small pets. And it's fenced all around. The lot seems to be an oversized lot also too. It seems to be wider than most lots. And there's the back side over here. Pool pump is over here. It does have a pool heater. Looks fairly new. Whole system looks pretty new. It's all on a timer out here. Got a sprinkler system. Got some patchwork on the side of the house here. It has a little separate little entrance here. Kind of cute. We're out in front now. Single car garage. Large driveway here, a lot of park on the side of the driveway here, but a single car entrance, but that can be made bigger. A lot of pavement out here, so you can park 3 or 4 or 5 vehicles out here. Well, the air conditioner too is on this side over here. There's bottled gas here, so you must have a gas stove or something inside that's got gas. And the air conditioner looks fairly new. It's very new. Any questions, give me a call, 239-784-1963. Thank you.